dito ah.
Saan dito? Dyan sa inyo.
Sa big camp may pumasok dito. May nag-check.
Cons ba yan?
Hindi ko lang sure kung kiniklear. Wait lang.
Yung mouse. Small naman yun.
Ay, cleared na. Big camp to eh.
Ano nga?
BBC. Wala na, cleared na. Cleared na. Sinimot na.
Ay, saping yung palaban. Come. Just live ping him, bro. Just live ping. Everyone cut the orange. You're going back. Anong ping sa main northwest? Live ping, bro. Adriel. Yeah, just follow Adriel. I think he can ping.
Yeah, I will try and custom, okay? I will try and custom.
Dismount on me. We're gonna catch. Come. We're gonna catch. Dismountan mo na. Ay, gawin mo lang pa talaga.
Siya pupunta.
They're going south.
South. Okay.
Mantap.
Oh. May nakaano dito ah. May T7 dito na Paul Hammer. Dalawa sila dito. Papunta na dyan ah. Live pinging no.
They're going south. Regroupingin sila. Saan papunta?
Live pinging. East. Going east. Naka-UC yan ah. Naka-UC.
Small. Pumunta na. Cheater lang to, bro. Naka-minor shoes. Hindi niya pa kasama.
Ay di ba? Asan yung ano? Yung empty.
South City. Gusto natin pala. Ay, may ping, oh. May ping.
Paul Hammer here.
No, not that shit. Cheater. Akala ko tama pala.
Baka madami sila dito, pre. May kasama yun eh. May naka P5 or so na kasalubong.
Small camp. Yan. And what's the small camp in the east?
Ay, dito sila.
Cut,
Naka-armor
go,
SC.
go,
Ay,
go.
nag-dismount sa akin. Nag-dismount sa akin.
Dismount, crank, everyone, dismount.
Southwest ha, southwest.
Dismount. Saan sila? Punta dito?
Live ping. Southwest, nag-dismount. All dismount. Copy. Kiniklear nila pa rin lahat.
On this mount. What the fuck?
Check. What did you go back, bro? You scared? Come. Crank. DPS in 3, 2, 1. Drop. Full kite now. Nice. Night armor. Full kite. Really tang. Uy, no heal down dito. Full kite. Push in the bullish. Get jacket. Hold you. Okay, we're gonna engage in 3,
Ready ako, friend.
2, 1. Drop now. Delete. Full in. Hey, full in. Pressure on healer. Pressure on healer. Get your cooldown. Tell me your cooldowns is. You have east now? Crown in 3.
Not yet.
Okay, not yet. Push in the bullish on healer. Now crown 3, 2, 1. Drop crown. Delete them all. Nice. Walk in now. Walk in
Dito ako sa likod.
Walk in now. Beware for the ratters, okay? Walk in now.
Yeah.
Not gonna mount up on my watch. You're not gonna mount up on my watch. Dismount. Mount up 1. Mount up 1. I need DPS here.
Wait. Going. Yung mga nasa likod, pre, secure nyo yung mga loots. Huwag nyo nakabulin yung shitter, pre. Secure nyo na lang yung loots.
Get the loot.
Ano yan, so open
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
Yeah, empty bro, empty.
You guys own get wipe or like What?